Hello, everybody, and welcome to Wonderful Wednesdays with Tyrone. Today, we are going to be showcasing a wonderful fall recipe, pumpkin cheesecake dip. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing that we need to do is always make sure that we wash our hands and that we sanitize our workstation and area. My hands have been properly sanitized, but I am going to remove my jewelry. All right, so what we already have here are all of our ingredients. What we're going to do is we are going to use one package of cream cheese. We are also going to have 1 can of pureed pumpkin. We're also going to have a 1/3 cup of brown sugar, 1/3 cup of white sugar. We are also going to have a 1/2 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. So I already have my 1/3 cup of brown sugar and white sugar already in the mixer. So now what we're going to do is add the cream cheese. And this cream cheese has sat out for a little bit, so it is at room temperature. Somewhat, it's still cool, but sitting out a little bit allowed it to have time to soften some. So we're going to add our cream cheese. Now we're going to mix. Next, we are going to add our 1 can of 15-ounce pureed pumpkin. Okay. Next, we are going to add a 1/2 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. Okay. Now we are going to mix. Once you have finished, if you like, you can add a little sprinkle of cinnamon. Let's give it a little stir. And now you have a wonderful snack that you can enjoy. With your pumpkin dip, you can use ginger snaps, you can use apple slices, you may also use vanilla wafers or graham crackers. So delicious and so full of flavor. This is a wonderful recipe that I'm sure you and your family will enjoy. If you'd like to try this fall recipe, remember all you need is brown sugar, white sugar, a can of pumpkin, pumpkin pie spice, and cream cheese. And you will have a wonderful pumpkin cheesecake dip. Again, my name is Tyrone Diller with North Carolina Cooperative Extension, Camden County Center, and this is Wonderful Wednesdays with Tyrone.